Today, we're going over how to integrate Printify with your PrintJourney account. Before we get started, just a big thank you to everyone that signed up for the waitlist. We're launching very soon, and I'm talking about in the next 2 days soon. And I can't wait for everyone to get on the platform, have a look around, and start growing your print-on-demand business. With that being said, let's hop into the tutorial. We'll start out by heading to our Printify account and logging in. After that, you're going to click on this little icon up here and you're going to go to Connections. You'll see I already have one API token generated for PrintJourney. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to create another. So all we're going to do is click Generate. I'll give it a name of PrintJourney 2. I'll leave all scopes checked. We'll generate the token. After I have my token generated, I'm going to copy to clipboard. Back in PrintJourney, we'll go to our integrations, find Printify, and click Connect. Here we'll add our API key that we copied earlier and click Load Shops. You'll see my POD store showed up. So I'll click that, hit Connect, and my POD store is now integrated with PrintJourney. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We can't wait to see what you're creating on PrintJourney. In the next video, we'll be going over how to integrate your Shopify store with PrintJourney. Stay tuned for that. I'll add a link in the description below.